Steve are on the way right now to go to the dealership and show you guys a review on a Range Rover. So tune in, we have a good one for you guys. So off-roading?
This is off-roading night, yeah. So you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. See how low it's gonna get.
What are we talking about here,
The whole car.
Oh, you can lower it. Oh, that's awesome. You can lower it from right there, and it's. So if you guys want to go off-roading, the 2020 Land Rover has that. Do that for you. That is awesome. Yeah, it went. Yeah. Big spacious trunk. I mean, interior, red, nice finish. This right here, guys, is really gets interesting. Wow.
Back at it, man. This thing is crazy. You got the digital dash.
Digital
over here,
dash.
man. Get the
Nice
steering wheel.
shift paddles, slick.
What is all this?
Navigation
What is this
system.
thing?
I'm pretty sure that's to change.
So that's the AC button. The one in the center is your heated windshield. So Land Rover actually
Heated
has a
windshield.
technology that if you see every single line that goes up and down
yeah.
this windshield, that heats up to the point where it melts ice right off your glass. So within 2 minutes, you can just wipe your windshield clean.
That, I actually do
minutes,
see
man.
it.
Snow
The
is gone.
camera can't
It's
quite
gone.
catch it, but that is very interesting. Kind of like the back.
You're right. You actually have to look for
Okay.
it. Otherwise, if you're driving normally, you can't see it. It's
Yeah.
invisible to the eye when you're looking at the car in front of you.
Is that the GPS on the dash?
That is. So watch this. I can actually change this menu. So in the information panel, I can switch the layout to put it in the full map. So if you want your full navy on that display, I can set it up that way.
You guys can see while you're driving.
Or you can actually change the layout to one of my favorite ones, which is the one dial. And you can go to the left information panel, put, say, for example, if you're more of a media head, you like your music, I can put what you're listening to on the left side, your map on the right, keeping all your vital information in the center. And this one does have the head-up display, which would allow you to see more of that information on there too.
So while you drive, you can see the speed, right?
Right.
Okay.
Speed limit of the road you're in, caller ID, media play that's playing, navigation turn by turn, pretty much everything you can see on the main display.
For you guys that don't know, it'll be displayed like on the windshield actually as you're driving. Like you'll be able to see well, you can set it up to what, miles per hour or different things, or just the miles per hour. Okay.
You guys know what a Range Rover is.
That's nice.
You're gonna have your
Red
space,
interior.
man. It's gonna be comfortable, but man. You guys will view the back.
And then this right here is just.
That's your cup holder. If you slide that forward,
Very
there's your cup holder right there, and if you slide the
Slick.
cup holder forward,
Let me get in the back. Show
you
you
actually
guys.
have
Wow.
storage space. So a lot of people don't know about that space.
Wow.
Look
Look
at
at
that
that.
storage space, guys.
20s.
Oh my God. Okay.
As you can see, you can actually put quite a bit in there.
You got your cup holders.
That
And
is.
you slide that to the side. You can put your whole damn
And you
arm
have some
in
more
there.
space right here.
Actually, this one might have a built-in refrigerator, so you can keep up to 4 bottles cold at all times in there.
Wow.
Yeah, so you actually
Did you
left
just
that
say a
black.
This is worth
built-in
the money.
refrigerator?
This is birthday, your birth. Oh,
If you
Ladies
look
and
that
wow.
up.
gentlemen, the car has a built-in refrigerator.
The whole thing?
There's your refrigerator
Oh
right
my
there.
gosh.
A built-in refrigerator in the 2020.
A built-in refrigerator.
Wow.
It's actually
Cars
nothing
can
new
have a
about
built-in
that. We have been
refrigerator
having
now.
that feature for quite a while.
Okay.
Wow.
And then your glow boxes, you have a top and a bottom. If you hit those arrow buttons on the dash, it opens the bottom one, and if you hit the first one, it opens the top one, which actually a lot of people don't know that is actually a storage bin.
Oh man. Wow.
This is worth the money.
And you can actually lock that with a 4-digit pin, so you can actually put things like if you carry concealed, or you want to leave your wallet in there, you can actually lock that with a pin code, so nobody can open it without your permission.
Wow. I mean,
And then right here, you obviously control
just all the storage space alone in this car, man, just separates this car from most
automatic,
trucks,
obviously.
I guess, you want to say, but wow, man. So what is this feature right here for? It says micro SIM. So what exactly?
You can
So
put
the car actually has Wi-Fi built in, so you can.
Okay.
It's provided by AT&T. It is a subscription. You can create a hotspot inside the car for up to 8 devices.
Wow.
And you can.
Car's Wi-Fi.
And you can.
I mean, that's pretty new. I mean, most cars have that, but
Charger
that's
port down there.
you could do a lot in this car. Type of paper.
Man.
You can do anything.
Do you know how many horses this car has?
This one is a V8. This one will push you 550.
550. Okay, yeah, we gotta step.
Best of Range Rover.
Supercharged V8. Best of Range Rover to this date. 19 miles in the city currently. It's a big engine. Big engine. 510 horses, I think he said, to be specific. I mean, it's a beautiful car inside and out for the family. I mean, just me stepping in here, it feels amazing. I feel like a boss, I'm not gonna lie. This is a very luxurious sports car with the red interior. Panoramic sunroof, guys. I mean, look at that. It's like you're not even inside a car. Sitting in the back, if you guys have families. I had to switch to the phone because my camera is sorry, guys. It just smells great in here. This leather is very spacious for the family, as you guys can see. State of the art. I mean, we're gonna take the family on a road trip. It's the car to do it in. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up on the 2020 Range Rover. Thank you guys for supporting us. Keep watching for more reviews. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon. See you guys later.